nigga, it's been like 2 years since I had some fucking gumbo.
This nigga had some gumbo.
He gonna keep on that.
But he looking like a Dumbo.
She rollin' off beams, so she rollin' with the team. Fucking this bitch, no, not little pumping. Fucking this bitch, no, not little pumping. Call me some. Walk like I talk it, don't talk what I'm walking. Bosses take losses, the money the topic. Bobbing your head to the beat and can't stop it. Cause feet bleed the strip in the streets, we get profit. No, I'm gon' make it, ain't waiting, I'm taking. Say what you want, but I've already made it. Roll me 3 blunts and I already faced it. Pour me 3 drinks and I already drank it. Pour me 3 cups and you know I double up. Double off or triple up. Do what I want, stay low and stay faded. Wanted the fuck, bitch, ain't making no payments. Do what I want while you do what you can. Making this profit, been taking these losses. Being a boss, bitch, what the fuck you talking? We getting this profit, stack when I want to and stay by my lonely. My homies on go mode, we doing it low key. She already know me, She know we stay low key, She already know me, She know we stay low key. She already know me. Fuck it up, go get your bands bout business. If you hatin', nigga, get the fuck back, nigga. She gon' shake that ass, make it clap, get figures. I'ma run it up, bout bands, get figures. On the bigger picture, see the picture, got the profit. Now I been bossin', taking losses, I'ma bossin'. I'm the topic, oh, I can't stop it. Not in what you into, not in what we into, not in what you into. Can't pick up the lingo, don't pick up my phone, don't be calling my phone. If it ain't bout the dough, then just keep on going on. Skip to my loot while I get to the loot. I got no go-to, but I'ma get one soon. Get the loot just like the pirates do. We taking our weight and I hating you faking.